Now let us see addition and subtraction of fractions. So previously we have learned about the fractions and types of fractions. Now how to add the like fractions and how to add the unlike fractions and how to subtract the like fractions and the unlike fractions. So like fractions are very easy to add, directly we can add numerators, but when we come to the unlike fractions, so what is the procedure? Let us see. So only simple thing, that is what the denominators must be same, means there is only one thing, that is convert the unlike fractions to like fractions with the help of LCM. So what is the LCM here? 3 and 7. The denominators, what is the 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. So what are the denominators here? 3 and 7. So LCM of 3 and 7, what is the answer? 21. So now let us convert these as like fractions. So what? Now you see LCM is 21. So denominators must be equal to LCM. So let us convert them. 2 by 3 into, see here 3 table, we should get 21. So 3 sevens are 21. So what is the product should be here? 7. So 3 sevens are 21. So the same multiple should be multiplied with numerator. So whatever the number we are multiplying, so it should be multiplied with numerator also, as it is plus and 5 by 7. So again 7 table to get 21. 7 3s are 21. So into 3 and into 3. So now let us see 2 sevens are, it's 14 by 21 plus 5 3s are 15. 15 by 21. Now let you observe, both are like fractions. Here denominator 21, denominator 21. So both are like fractions. So now it is easy to add numerator. So the common denominator is 21 and 14 plus 15. So 14 plus 15 is equal to 29. So 29 by 21. So this is the answer. Now observe subtraction. So even addition and subtraction and comparing of the numbers, fractions, and write the ascending order and descending order. So all those should be done based on like fractions. So that now these are unlike fractions. So what to do now? Let us convert them like fractions. So to be convert, what we require? LCM. So what is the LCM here? LCM of denominator 5 and 6. So 5 is a prime number, so that we get 5 6 are 30. So that 30 is the LCM. So these two denominators is going to be become as 30. So now 7 by 5. So that 5 table, when we get 30, 5 6 are. So the same number we multiply with numerator also, minus now 2 by 6 into, so 6 table to get 30, 6 5s are, so 6 5s are 30, so that now 7 6 are, it is 42 by 5 6 are 30 minus 2 5s are 10 by 6 5s are 30. So 42 by 30 minus 10 by 30. Now you can see they are like fractions. Now they converted like fractions. So now we can do addition or subtraction or comparison easy. Now here subtraction. So that common denominator is 30 and 42 minus 10. So the 42 minus 10 is 32 by 30. So we can simplify there. So this is the way we can able to subtract the fractions of unlike fractions. Now let us write the fractions, given fractions, ascending order and descending order. First of all, how to write ascending order and how to write in descending order. So what are the main things are required to be say right in the ascending order and the descending order. So once you check out the fractions, what are the fractions are there here? 2 by 3, 3 by 7 and 2 by 5. See here, all three fractions are unlike fractions. So they are not like fractions. When they are not like fractions, we can't say that that they are which is the greater and which is the smaller. So first of all, we should make them as like fractions. So to make them like fractions, what we require here? LCM. So to do the LCM, 3, 7, 5. So the denominators must be equal. So to make them equal, we need LCM. See here, 3, 7, 5. So LCM of 3, 7, 5. So what is the LCM of 3, 7, 5? So all the three of them are prime numbers. So when they are prime numbers, so you can directly multiply 3 into 7 into 5. So that 3 7s are 21 and 21 5s are. So it is 105. So what is that? 105. So the next, let us convert these all denominators as 105. So just observe them. 2 by 3. So let us convert 2 by 3. So the 3, when we multiply with 3, 105. When we get 105, 3 into 35. 3 into 35. The next we get as 105. If not, if you are not getting what to do, 3 table. So just let us divide with 105. So you can get answer 3 3s are 9, 1 and 5. So 3 5s are 15. So that when we get 105, 3 into 35. So let us 3 into 35. The same thing, multiply with the denominator and the numerator. So the next in 7, 3 by 7, same as. So 7 into, when we get 105, so you can able to do the division. If not, directly you can do 3 5s are 15 or 15 7s are 105. So if you know the 15 table, it is very easy. So 7 15s are 105. So same numerator and denominator should be multiplied. The next 2 by 5. 5. So just keep 5 to the side. 3 7s are 21. So that we can multiply with 21, 21. So let us write now all this. 2 into 35. 2 into 35 is 70 by 105. And 3 into 50. So it is 45 by 105. 2 into 21. So it is 42 by 105. So now let you observe all these are like fractions, means all the denominators are equal. Now let us compare the numerators. Then what is smaller, what is bigger, then we understand. So 70, 45, 42. So what is the smaller here? 42. So that if you want to write in ascending order, first what do you write? 42 by 105. And the second one 70, 45. So 45 is the smaller. So that 45 by 105. And the last 70 by 105. So this is the way you can able to write ascending order, and the descending order you can able to write from 70 to 42. So this is the way to be write fractions in ascending order or descending order. So to make them ascending or descending, what we require here? LCM. So to make them all like fractions. Once we convert them into like fractions, we can justify which is smaller and which is greater. Then we can able to write ascending order and descending order.
Thanks for watching.